on, Miffy. Stay with me. Stay with me, girl. This isn't going well. Not with that attitude. That's so bad. Cheers. Happy Valentine's Day. Guys, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Why'd you laugh? Today, we thought, because it's Valentine's Day, we're in our like cute little pink gear. Lauren's top is so cute. Mine's just like this pink sweater. But anyways,
like baby doll or something.
Yeah, it's really cute. I was gonna get that, but Lauren grabbed it. So today is Valentine's Day when you guys watch this. So we thought we can spend Valentine's Day together. And yeah, spend Valentine's Day together, and we can also do some little baking because I saw some of you guys request baking videos, even though the last one went pretty bad. What was the jelly cat one? But you guys still want to see more, so today we're gonna be baking some like heart-shaped. I'm gonna try.
Almost a year ago.
Yeah, it was cream puffs.
Yeah.
Yippee! For you guys, so we can nom on those and eat them together. So we're gonna go to the kitchen now. I think we should do this like make this a monthly series, like me and Lauren bake together.
I was thinking weekly.
Absolutely not. See you in the kitchen.
Be the one baking anyway.
So for today's video, I thought we can make something like this, heart-shaped eclair slash cream puff. But I also want to make it like Miffy themed since we just bought Miffy cookie cutters.
Those aren't gonna work.
Lauren says it's not gonna work, but I saw this girl use puff pastries instead of just making the cream puff. Lauren says that's cheating. But I was like, I'm too lazy to fully bake something, so let's just do this. What do you think?
Actually, the Miffy will work. It just won't have the face on it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh,
We can have the bunny shape.
We have strawberries.
Puff pastry. How this works?
Oh, they smell good.
Smells really good. All right,
watch this.
Let's get the show on the road.
Yep. Why it look like this? Smells like dough.
This just saved us so much time, smiley face.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
On the side over here, we have my mom cooking some food for us. And since our rice cooker broke, oh my god.
That's what I said.
That pot has seen better days, but my mom's making rice because our rice cooker broke. And we still haven't found a rice cooker because we paid a lot of money for that rice cooker and it broke. And my mom's like really depressed, so now we're just coping. But my mom's making soup on the side, and then Lauren's baking some stuff.
Just put the face on. Aww.
That's so cute.
It's really cute. Well, I know the face is gonna disappear.
That's okay. I think that just the body would be cute. But isn't there one with just like ears? No, like just her face.
Oh god. Oh no. Oh no, she's sticking. Oh no, she's stuck.
We should've powdered it.
Yeah, we should have. It's okay. It looks amazing.
Oh my god, Lauren, that's not it. Can we powder the rest, please?
Yeah, get the flour. Where were you when it was time for senior photos? Do you know that one? It's so funny.
Miffy. Lauren's brain rotting, bro.
Dude, it's so bad. I don't know why.
I think we need to make sure the ears are more pronounced. I feel like if the ears are pronounced, then... Oh, that's cute.
It's pretty pronounced to me.
This isn't going well.
Can we just do hearts?
Let's just do one Miffy. I think it's not gonna work.
We have like 10. Okay, why don't we do this, right?
Come on, Miffy. Stay with me. Stay with me, girl. Oh, man. Like, make sure this ear part is, like... Okay, that's good.
I don't know what she's trying to tell me. Oh no. Maybe we do need flour. How pronounced is this? How pronounced is this, guys?
Oh, wait, this one came out really good.
She's such a hater.
Do you have hearts though? Do you have heart-shaped cookie cutter?
Nope.
Alright.
It's all Miffy or nothing. Come on, let's go.
No.
Can you help? But taking it out is
Make sure the ear's clean like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Dude, mine's the best one. Look at that. How perfect.
Are you kidding me? Check her out. Oh. Are you kidding me? Wait, do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to the front? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Yay!
Ignore our sweats. This is a Zoom
What sweats?
Zoom outfit attire. Dressed up on the top, sets on the bottom. All right, let's do this. One's like a Cartman bill.
Yes. Yes.
Look, guys,
We're bonding.
Miffy.
Miffy.
Ooh, that ear is pronounced. Oh,
Yeah.
that Miffy is okay. It looks like the Scream Miffy.
What?
Because she's so long.
Oh.
This isn't going well, guys. I
Who
thought
brought this negative Nancy into the film, bruh?
I
Get her
thought
out
we
of
had
here.
like just the head, not the
No,
body.
it's the whole body.
What if I try the dough?
Oh, let's try it. What does it taste like?
Bird flu.
Mmm.
Oh, it's good. If you guys are ever wondering, what is Hannah and Lauren doing on a nice Monday morning?
I should be studying.
I forced Lauren to bake with me because it's Valentine's Day this week. I wanted to get you guys some Valentine's Day footage.
Oh yeah, I'm fine with that.
Oof.
It's fun showing you guys what we're doing. Oh, I just messed her ear up.
This one's like a Miffy's manslaughter house.
Some of that came out really well.
Oh
I don't know about you, bro.
What the
But this lighting is fire. I want more. I deserve it.
Oh. This is why we're not professional bakers. I was thinking we can draw too.
Okay, maybe after all my stuff that I need to do first, then I'd be really down to do it. I think you're forgetting that I need to be an academic weapon first.
Dude, why is Lauren so funny?
These are my kids. Mom?
Oh, my aesthetic queen. Oh, her little bow in the back. Cute.
Ew! Thank God no one's eating these.
Just me, myself, and I. Guys, we don't have a brush, so we have to improvise.
My hands are clean, guys.
But you know what they say, like, it's not the material.
Just don't say anything.
It's the artist. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, totally.
The crickets.
Crickets, absolute crickets chirping right.
Please ignore how dirty the oven is. It's because it's very well loved. But look, they're puffing.
Puffin and their pastry. Holy.
If he's getting in line for a nice suntan, and Lauren's cutting up the rest of the...
No waste here, guys.
And while I wait, my mom bought this from Costco. Oops.
Give it 5 big booms. Boo! Okay, sorry.
My mom bought this from Costco.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
So I'm gonna eat it.
I'm actually like
Taste
so
test.
Those are fire.
Pretty good. I give it 3 big booms.
Boom! Boom! Give it the last one.
Boom!
Oh yeah! Sorry. I'm so sorry.
So we took the cream puffs out of the oven. Dude, that looks weird. I mean, at least you can still see the face.
No, you can. Wait, that looks great. Oh, thanks, Mom.
How many booms, Mom? She doesn't know what that trend is. How many booms? How many booms?
How many booms?
Yeah, how many booms? Give us a boom.
1 boom, 2 booms. Okay, booms, what else? What does that mean?
Oh, I'm dead. I'm actually just dead.
How many booms?
그게 무슨 소리야?
봄 얼만큼 줘?
그러니까 그게 무슨
그냥
How many booms? Just give me a boom.
5 booms?
She gave it 5 big booms. Boom! 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 That's so ugly.
Guys, this isn't going well.
Oh, it's fantastic. Where were you?
Bro, this isn't isn't going well.
This
Should we eat one? Let's just try one. Something that we can't fill it.
잘했는데.
이거 먹자.
Thanks for the words of encouragement, Mom.
잘했어.
이거 먹자.
Okay, let's try one.
Just
Taste
take her
test.
head.
That's so bad.
Cheers. It's not bad.
Holy frick. It doesn't even have a neck. Dude, maybe not do a monthly baby set.
Maybe we had to make it by scratch. I'm down to do that. I just didn't have the time.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna make the cream now, and hopefully the cream carries.
Oh my god, I feel so bad. I'm like digging a knife into her head. She's just a girl. 이렇게?
Yeah, I guess.
And then you just put the cream in here.
Oh my gosh. Do we need to cut all of
Brother!
Do we need to cut?
My brother.
This isn't going well.
Just say.
About that great value.
Yeah, it's great value, guys. You're here for a good time, not a long time.
It's supposed to come off easily like this.
Luckily, the weather's cold, so.
Ooh, why isn't ours doing that? I just ripped that one. Let's try this.
Oh, these are about to be fire! Can you see it? It has whipped cream in it.
Okay, I kind of did this one.
Yeah! Oh, that looks good.
This isn't going well.
Not with that attitude.
Oh my god. I can't. I'm getting so angry.
Stop!
Look at
This
this.
is supposed to be calming.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Well, this one lost the ear.
Bruh.
This one didn't even come off. This one kind of came off.
Yeah, that was good.
I don't know. Making pancakes.
Making bacon pancakes. Make some bacon now, put it in a pancake. Making pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Baking pancakes. Okay, that's actually insane. It's like losing its ears and stuff.
Yep, this is not going well. So Beekman actually sent me this milk frother. We don't have a whisk, so hopefully this works. Does that work? Does that work? Lauren can't whisk me already.
It's awful. Help, send help. My
Alright.
arm's cramped.
Let's try it. Ooh, my sweats.
Oh, bro, that's gonna take forever. Wait, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. Beekman, I love you.
I think for the next video we need a handheld mixer. Hand mixer. Hey, Mom's here to help. Good job, Mom. Okay. This is all wrong. This is supposed to be an aesthetic Valentine's Day video. But now it's like, what the heck is this?
Light work.
Wait,
Light work.
that looks so good.
Light work.
Wait, get whisking. Get whisking. We got this. Happy Valentine's Day.
If anything,
We have the squares to save us.
Oh, don't worry. Oh, just snap the ear. Just snap.
Oh man, this is a mess.
This is a mess.
We
Alright.
tried.
Wait, some of them came out really good though.
Keep those. Alright, so this is what we have. Next time we'll try to make real batter. But this is fine. This is fine. We're fine.
Survivors! I mean, technically all of them survived, but like maybe not this guy. It's kind of tragic, but hey, it's puff pastries, not my dough. I didn't make this batter, so I didn't fail.
Oh my god.
We have the squares. Squares will never fail.
These are the
us.
survivors. These ones are they tried their best.
They try to live, but sometimes it's not good enough, you know?
What the heck is that? Show them. Let's like load it and make it pretty. Oh my gosh. Pastry stores are not ready for us.
Oh,
They don't
Gordon
want-
Ramsay's not ready.
They don't
for
want us to go in business.
Oh! That's so fire.
Happy Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's.
Wait, we need strawberries. Oh, we'll just eat this one. Cheers.
I'll eat this miffy. I'll eat this broken miffy.
This.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at the bag.
If I close my eyes, it's really good.
Taste, 10 out of 10. Appearance, 1 out of 10. Costco guys, my miffy died. Can I get a boom?
No, I'm not Costco.
I'm sorry.
You know what other fake videos? Can you sit down?
Oh, hi.
Let me know what other baked goods you want us to see make next. We might need to call it back up.
It's like really good. It's just some crunchy carbs with like cream and sugar. Okay, it's really good. Oh. There was a vision.
Can you see it?
Strawberry cream puffs. Woohoo! Yo, she be looking miserable.
Alright guys, that doesn't look that bad. Happy Valentine's Day. We love you guys. XOXO.
Check this out.
Let's eat one.
I want the square, bro.
We woke up early for this nonsense.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we did. Like 10 o'clock.
I'm up at 7.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
I enjoy making it.
You need to give us a thumbs down. Bye.
Wait, please don't.
Bye.
It's pretty yummy though. Bye bye.